We have an apartment in the city. Me and Loretta like living there. It's been years since the kids have grown, life of their own, left us alone. John and Linda live in Omaha. Joe is somewhere on the road. We lost Davy in the Korean War. I still don't know what for. Don't matter anymore. You know that old trees just grow stronger, and old rivers grow wilder every day. But old people, they just grow lonesome, waiting for someone to say hello in there, hello. Me and Loretta, we don't talk much anymore. She sits and stares through the back door screen, and all the news, it just repeats itself like some forgotten dream that we'd both seen. Someday I think I'll call up Rudy. We worked together in the factory. But what would I say when he asks what's new? Say nothing, what's with you? Nothing much to do. You know that old trees just grow stronger, and old rivers grow wilder every day. But old people, we just grow lonesome, waiting for someone to say hello in there, hello. So if you're walking down the street sometime, and you should spot some hollow ancient eyes, don't you pass them by and stare as if you didn't care. Say hello in there. Hello.